Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe. We're going to do a very quick video because this is a super easy thing to do, but we're going to go over changing the air filter on your Honda Ridgeline. About a month and a half ago, I did a similar video on how to change the cabin filter on the Honda Ridgeline, and in the comments section, I received a couple of comments from people asking if I could do a video on how to change the actual air filter. So let's get into it. We're gonna get into it because during one of my regular, prepaid service intervals, if you have a Honda, you know that they give you free oil changes for the first 2 years and 25,000 miles or something like that. Anyways, during one of those services, they quoted me $140 something to change the cabin filter and the air filter, and I was like, you're out of your mind. It literally cost me like $20. So anyways, let me flip the camera around. I'm just gonna show you how to do this very quickly. I don't actually need to change mine because I already did it, but I'm gonna show you how to do it. So let's flip the camera around. Okay, so this is your air filter. It's underneath this little plastic cover. So if you look right here and right here, there are two little plastic tabs. They just kind of snap back like that. And then there's one other one on the side over here. You have to kind of feel around for it, but where is it? I think, oh, yeah, I got it. Oh, I already undid that one, but so you just undo that, and then this lifts right off. And look at that, there's your air filter. Holy moly, it's that easy. You pop it right out. Mine's brand new, so I don't really need to do anything with it. But this air filter, I'll have to look it up. I got it through O'Reilly Auto Parts. My father-in-law works there, so I got it through him. But I believe this air filter is only like, it's less than 20 bucks. I'll look it up and I'll drop a link to like an Amazon link or something for one of these so that you know how much it is. But I'm fairly certain it's less than $20. So anyways, so when you're replacing it, you remove the old one. I'm trying to do this one-handed. You pop the new one back in. Yeah, there's a couple of tabs at the front that have to they're a little hard to get in one-handed. Here, let me see if I can do it. I might have to put the camera down, but if you look down here, there's like a little tab. It's got to go into like a little groove. There's one on this side and on that side. And let's see if I can do it one-handed. Probably not. Let me put the camera down and get this done, and then I'll, let's see. Actually, I'm not even gonna shut the camera off to do this. It's that easy. I'm gonna prop the camera right on my engine cover right like that, and I'm just gonna try to do this. All right, let's see. There it goes. Yep, much easier to do two-handed than one. So there's my, pop the snaps back on. 3 snaps, we're done. It's that easy. It literally is that easy, people. I don't know how long this video is. I'll have to, it's probably less than 5 minutes, but if I wasn't filming this, that literally is a 60 to 90 second job. Don't go pay your dealer $60 or $80 or $100 to change that thing. It literally is a couple bucks at the auto parts store in 90 seconds of your time. So anyways, I hope this helps. If you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does help my channel. Very exciting. We just hit 3,000 subscribers the other day. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but to me, a little small YouTube channel like this, 3,000 subscribers, it's nice. So anyways, thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.